Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Okay, students, today we will study from our English workbook. So, everyone open page number 33, that is lesson number 5, message in a bottle. See, we will study this. Look, exercise number 1. Look at the pictures given below. Talk about the rooms. There are 4 rooms. Okay. And we will talk about these rooms. We will study about these rooms. Okay. Does every room have a sofa? Yes, it does. Every room has a sofa. Does every room have a lamp? No, it does not. Only Anu's room has a lamp. Let's see. See, only Anu's room has a lamp, and in each and every room there is a sofa. Okay. We will use every, no, not, only while writing. Okay, we will move to our next page, that is page number 34. Now students, write down classwork, put the date, that is 17/9/2020. Now let's start. Answer these questions. Before starting this, I have told you about 4 rooms. See, that is Adheep's room, Anu's room, Shona's room, and Suresh's rooms. Okay, we have studied these 4 rooms. Now we will study on this basis. On these 4 pictures, we will do some question. Whose room, question number A is, whose room has a rug? Let's see whose room has a rug. This is a rug. So here we see Adheep's room has a rug. In the other pictures, can we see a rug? No. Only Adheep's room has a rug. Now question number B. Whose room has a bowl of fruit on the table? Let's see whose room has a bowl on the table. Let's see. It is Anu's room. So how we will write it? Only Anu's room has a bowl of fruits on the table. Now C1. Whose room has dark curtain? Let's see whose room has dark curtains. Yes, Suresh's room has dark curtains. Only Suresh's room has dark curtains. Okay, we have done this exercise. Now we will come to our exercise number 2. Answer these questions. Use every or only in your answers. A. Does every room has a rug? Let's see. Does every room has a rug? No, only Adheep's room has a rug. So what will be the answer? No, not every room has a rug. Only Adheep's room has a rug. Let's come to the B. Question number B. Does every room has a television? Let's see. Oh no, only Shona's room has a television. Let's see what will be the answer. No, not every room has a television. Only Shona's room has a television. Okay. And now C1. In the question number C, does every room have a sofa? Let's check it out. Yes, in each room there is a sofa. See, in first room, in second room, in third room, in the fourth room also. Yes, every room has a sofa. Okay, now D1, question number D. Does every room have a clock? Let's see. No, only Shuresh's room has a clock. No, not every room has a clock. Only Shuresh's room has a clock. Okay? Right? Now we will come to the E1, E question. Does every room have two paintings? See, let's check it out. Yes, in the first room it has two paintings. In the second room also it has two paintings. In the third room also it has two paintings. In the fourth room also it has two paintings. So what will be the answer? Yes, every room has two paintings. Right? And then fourth exercise we will not do. Okay. So students, do it in your English workbook. Okay, don't do it in your English literature copy. This is your homework class. Learn these two exercises. Exercise number 2 and exercise number 3. That's all for students. Have a good day. Thank you.